Hey guys, Dad from Sterling Self Defense. Here with a quick little short. 4-gram balls. Now, what guys don't realize, they think heavier balls, you get more joules. You actually get the same joules, they just fly faster. There's a 4-gram ball. I got them in here. You'll see them as they shoot. They're yellow. So, watch what we get. Basically, they just fly faster. The lighter they are. Alright, here we go. Nope, I put the camera up at the trap. Here we go. T8.1 Devastator. Alright. 566. 560. 562. Woohoo! 564. That's all the ones I had in there. So, here, I'll shoot a couple joules. Oh, well, that's all you need to know, basically. You've seen me shoot joules in this before. It's right around 60 joules. So, you get the same impact. Lighter rounds, heavy round don't really matter. Just lighter rounds will fly faster than heavier rounds. All right, guys. See you later.